Hey guys, welcome back to Ulan app. For today's video, we are going to show you or discuss with you how to fix TikTok not working on Android after update. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. Now, if TikTok is no longer working on your Android device here or on your phone, there are a few things that you can do here. So first things first is we want to go ahead and force stop the actual app. Now, look for the TikTok app here, press and hold on it. Click on the eye icon that you see here. Now from here, click on force stop at the bottom left to force stop TikTok. And from here, click on clear data at the bottom right and click on clear cache and click on OK. Now, once you've done that, what we need to do is we need to open up TikTok and see if that solves the issue. Now, simply clearing the cache itself can solve the issue, but in some cases that might not be enough. So the next thing that you want to do here is you want to clear your data. So instead of just clearing your cache, you need to clear your data. So in this case, press and hold on TikTok again. Click on the eye icon. Click on clear data at the bottom right here and click on clear all data. But in this case, just be informed that clearing all your data here also includes clearing any drafts that you have on your TikTok account. Now, if you really want to proceed with that, go ahead, but just a quick warning here. Now, in this case, once you clear your data here, you can go ahead and open up TikTok and see if that solves your issue. Now, also, additionally, before you open up TikTok here, I recommend you to also go to Google Play Store here and see if there are any further updates for TikTok. Now, sometimes the update itself might cause some issue. So in this case, go ahead and go to the Google Play Store. If you see an update button on it, go ahead and click on update here. Because again, sometimes there might be some app issues from TikTok themselves, and they might have released another update for the app. So in this case, just update it again. Now, also, if you're still having some issue here, you might want to consider having or doing a fresh reinstall. In this case, you want to go ahead and press and hold on TikTok here. Click on the trash can icon here to uninstall TikTok. And once you've done that, go ahead and open up TikTok in your Google Play Store here and basically install it again and see if that solves the issue. And that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to Ulan app. Thank you for watching.